In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a default signature in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, your preferred sign-off will drop into every new message automatically, and you'll never have to paste it in again. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Look to the top left corner and click File. This takes you to the Backstage view where the app's settings live. On the left sidebar, choose Options, a new Outlook. Options window will appear. From the list on the left, select Mail, because signatures are part of your mail composition settings. On the right, find and click the button labeled Signatures. That opens the Signatures and Stationery window, where all your signature choices and defaults are managed. Before moving on, make sure you already have at least one signature created for the account you plan to use. If the list is empty, you'll need a signature available before you can set it as a default. Also note that if you use multiple email accounts in Outlook, each account can have its own defaults, so you'll want to pay attention to which account you're configuring. Now focus on the top right area of the Signatures and Stationery window. First, choose the email account you want to configure from the drop-down labeled Email Account. This ensures the defaults you pick apply to that specific mailbox. Next, set what appears on brand new messages. Under New Messages, open the drop-down and select the signature you want. Outlook to insert automatically whenever you click New Email. This is ideal for your full professional signature, including your name, role, and contact details. Then decide what happens when you reply to or forward messages. Under Replies Forwards, choose a signature that's appropriate for ongoing conversations, or pick None if you prefer to keep replies lean and only sign off manually when needed. Many people use a shorter version here, which keeps threads tidy while still identifying who you are. When you're happy with your selections, click OK to save. Back in Outlook, your choice is now live. The next time you create a new email, your default signature